Hello there. Today we'll be doing reverse linked list groups. Given a singly linked list node and an integer k, reverse every k contiguous group of nodes. The plan here is to reverse the nodes to k, and then point it at the next bit and reverse that bit to k. So we're going to be doing some recursion and iterative approach here. Let me explain a little bit further with an example. So let me just shrink my face because that's not necessary. All right. So whoa, that was not intentional. Okay, my bad. So here we go. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna set the temporary and previous to none, then set the head and the current item to the first item, and set well, this one's gonna be current.next, and set our count to 0. We're gonna count our way up to 2. So the next step is point our current to previous, set the previous to the current, set current to current.next, and temporary to to current.next, and increment by count by 1. Doing so, we will reverse the items by 2 count, and so we'll have 1, 0, and pointing to none. But what we want to do is set head if temporary is moved to the next item. We want to point to the next item and recurse that bit as well. Then once that happens, we'll do a recursion where we do the same thing over again: temp, previous, head, and current.next. Keep the head, move the previous, set the temp, current set to previous, previous equals current, current equals temp, as temp is equal to current.next, and so on and so forth. And finally, we get this particular 3, 2 pointing to none, and temporary current is now none, so we stop recursion. And we get back 1 points to 0, points to 3, and then points to 2, which is what we expect when we reverse 0, 1, 2, 3, as seen here in the example. Okay, so let's code it out and put this together. So first thing, let me put the notes right by the here and shrink it a little bit. So first thing we're gonna do, oh, that's not good. Well, that's not. I think let's shrink this a little bit. There we go. Right. Swift, some code, some bucket lists. Oh my goodness. Okay. I wish this was a little bit more easy. Okay, and we could shrink this. Perfect. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first thing we do is set head to equal to our particular node. Set current equals to the node as well. So current equals head equals node. Then we set the temporary to equals to none, and the previous is equal to none. Anything else? I think that should be good. We set count to be equal to 0, and while current does not equal none, and count is less than k, temporary is equal to current.next. Then current.next is equal to previous, previous is equal to current, and current is equal to temp. Once that is done, count plus equals 1. If temp is not none, then head dot next is equal to self dot solve temp k. Return the previous node. Run and submit. Perfect, 100%. That is all for this problem. Yeah, I don't think there's much more to explain. I think we can simplify the top bit a little bit more. All right, let's do that. So instead of having a temp, we'll do a previous. So current.next is equal to previous. Previous is equal to current. Current is equal to current.next. Run. Oh, where's temp? Ah, right. However, it seems to be a little bit slower. With less code. I think like this is cool and all, but I think this is just more like clear about what's going on, and it's just faster. Like, why not? Oh, it's slower now too. Well, anyways, that's all for this problem. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you want more, check out the link in the description below, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much.